Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Last class, what we done? I think the second concept is over. All of you got the answer.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Question number
Sir, question number 9 and 10, sir.
two questions.
Sir,
Okay, 9 and 10. Tell me the question number 9 now. Answer.
sir, xy is equal to log y plus c.
Log y plus c.
Y dash is equal to, well, differential equation is equal to
Ah.
y dash is equal to y square divided by 1 minus xy.
Equal to 1 minus
xy.
xy.
No, sir. Y square by 1 minus xy.
Y square by 1 minus xy.
Yes, sir.
We have to prove this. Is correct now? Now this is the function. Here c is the constant value. C is the constant. Directly I can take it. Now tell me what is the differentiation of xy? Differentiation of xy. Differentiate now. The c is the constant. UV formula I can apply. U into dy by dx, dv by dx plus y. Correct or not? U into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Differentiation of x equal to 1 clearly is equal to log y. So 1 by y into dy by dx plus constant value, it's become that 0. Constant value, it's become that 0 now. Correct or not? Now just to do one thing now. Here the dy terms you can write up one side now. This one right this side. X into dy by dx plus y minus 1 by y into dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 0. Equal to 0 it is. Now if you want just the plus y, you can transfer that side also, nothing happen. It is first you can take from these two, what is the common now? Dy by dx is the common now. If one is plus y, you can transfer to this side. It's become that minus y it is. Minus y. So if taken dy by dx is the common now. So this is x minus 1 by y. X minus 1 by y is equal to minus y. Now this is required. So dy by dx is equal into, if taken y is the LCM here. So clearly xy minus 1 equal to minus y. Equal to minus y. So therefore dy by dx equal to how much? Dy by dx equal to this one, right this side now. Y into minus y equal to minus y square by xy minus 1 it is. Xy minus 1. So from this one you can take uh, minus, you can take common now. The 1 minus is there. This is not there.
Sir, 1
This
minus y.
this is the correct answer. Correct now? Now from this one you can take minus common. Minus y square by minus of 1 minus xy. Minus minus will be cancelled. This is the value of y dash. So clearly y dash equal to, we got now y square by 1 minus xy. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what you are saying that one, this is your solution of this differential equation. Okay. The question number 9. One more.
So, question 10, sir.
If anyone cannot complete it means you can write that, copy that. But at last, but don't forget, compulsory we should write the conclusion here. Okay, the given function is the solution of the given differential equation. last equation. So therefore xy equal to log y plus c is a solution of y dash equal to y square by 1 minus xy, y square by 1 minus xy. Or 10th question, tell me what is question number 10? Chirag.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, y is equal to x sine 3x.
X sine 3x. Ah.
Um,
Ah.
d square y by dx square plus 9y
Plus 9y. Ah.
minus 6 cos 3x is equal to 0.
Cos 3x is equal to 0. The second derivative question, same thing only. Already what we get previous continuity differentiability, the same models only. So now
So,
I can take here now y equal to x and x. Yes, tell me.
here we need to find a general solution by integration.
No, 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 no. This is not general solution.
No, sir. I'm just like
Ah.
raising the concept. One is general solution. Second is
Hmm.
particular solution that,
Yes, yes, yes.
and
After
the
this,
third one is verifying it.
verifying.
Sir,
Actually, listen, listen, listen. Already,
sir,
the
but
first
my
concept.
doubt is,
Ah. Tell me,
sir, my
Andrew.
doubt is we are verifying in this like a y equals to x sine 3x is given,
Ah.
and we are just finding its derivative and substituting and getting the answer.
Yes.
So how to get this answer, sir? Like a d is given, like differential equation is given,
Hmm.
and we need to find that y equals to x sine 3x.
Based
There
on
is
this.
any method? Yes, sir. Based on this, we need to find that y equals.
Here now, suppose they given this function and we have to find this means, then here compulsory can apply the integration because the antiderivative. Is correct? You should apply the
So
integration on there.
this will be the find like how we find the general solution.
General solution means then based on this
In
condition
general
only.
solution also
Listen,
we
listen, listen. Yes,
integrate.
yes. Already I gave you last. Just I gave one example. I gave. I think on that time you are not there. The general particular solution. I gave one example.
Yes.
For finding the general solution, particular solution,
Yeah,
we
it's
have
all,
methods are
I
there.
have completed that part.
Yes, yes, methods are there. So after this concept, one more is there. That is, if they given the any one of the function and based on the function, how to find the differential equation. Later, we're going to the methods. That methods are completely we're finding the general solution and a particular solution. Okay, three different methods we have: the variable, separable, homogeneous, and linear. By in that methods, we're finding the general solutions. Already last class I gave the one. I think two examples I gave. One is general solution example I gave, and
Yes, sir.
particular solution also I gave.
And
Okay.
one is particulars.
Yes, yes. We are going the concept wise. We're going to concept wise. Okay.
Yes, sir. I was confused in that we
Uh,
only did two
yes,
questions.
yes.
So
You'll get. So many questions we have to do because I gave the definition on that time. Last class I gave the definition, but
yes, sir.
immediately for understanding purpose, I gave one small example because simply just I gave the definition and I skip that and go to the someone means, but maybe we'll get the confusion. Okay, that's why after definition immediately I give the one example. Okay, this is the way we have to find it. Okay, see now this is the same thing only. Differentiate with respect to x now. So dy by dx is equal to, right now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to x into differentiation of sine 3x. So cos 3x into 3 plus sine 3x into 1. So if you want this is, you can write clearly that dy by dx is equal to, you can write now 3x into cos 3x plus sin 3x, sin 3x. Generally here we require d square by dx is required now. So second order derivative, again you can differentiate with respect to x now. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So d square y by dx square d square y by dx square is equal to EV formula again. So 3x into minus sine 3x minus sine 3x into 3 plus cos 3x into 3 cos 3x into 3, because u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u plus sin 3x equal to cos 3x into 3 now. And I can simplify that. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to minus 9x into sin 3x plus 3 into cos 3x plus 3 into cos 3x cos 3x. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 9x into sin 3x sin 3x plus 3 plus 3, because these two are the like terms here now, 6 into cos 3x 6 into cos 3x. Now this one you can substitute in there if you want. I already know that one. X into sin 3x equal to how much? Y it is. So minus 9y plus 6 into cos 3x. So all right this side now. So d square y by dx square plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x equal to 0. So clearly we got now. That means what you're saying that, so therefore y equal to x sin 3x is the x sin 3x is solution of given differential equation. Given differential equation.
So
Ah,
instead of doing this, can we just substitute the value of d square pi by dx square in that
ah,
d
yes, yes, I can do.
and y value,
Yes, yes, I can
and
do.
then show it that it's coming to 0? So
Yes, yes,
it's
that's right. Yes, I can do. Okay, okay.
okay. So
Because we got it directly, that's why I wrote directly now. Yes, I can do that. The d square by dx square, you can substituting in the given differential equation. The result will be 0. Then it is a solution. Okay, write it. Any doubts in this concept? No. I think last class I gave before end. Okay, this class ending the session, I gave the 10 questions to you to practice. Remaining all the questions clear now, or any doubts are there? No doubts means I'm going to the next concept. The 3 marks question is important for next one. No? That is
clear. So
quite this is the opposite. Previous one is this to verify in that the given function is the function solution of the given quadratic differential equation or not. We done that. But now, if they given any one of the function, and based on the function, we have to find the differential equation. Same like this only. Okay. Here also you do one thing. Already Anirudh he told that very clearly. This d square y by dx square value, one directly can substitute in there in given equation. Okay, and verify it. Right now, next concept. Right now, type 3. Two types already we done. First one is the finding the order and degree, and second one verification. Okay, the given function is the solution of the given differential equation or not. Now, right now, third one, type 3. Type 3, right? Formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation whose general solution is given. Actually, generally, this is only we call as a, what do you call this? This is the, because the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, if they given this is the general equation solution, by using this general solution, then how to find the differential equation? That's the next concept. Formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation whose general solution is given. Whose general solution is given. Okay, this is the more important concept to you, but definitely I think previous we discussed about the arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. I think last class I told that in a given general solution, then how many arbitrary constants are there? That many times we have to do the differentiation. That means if they given any general solution, we have to find the differential equation. Means in this differential equation, okay, but we are not getting any arbitrary constant. Means without constant value, we will get the differential equation. Okay, here suppose in a general solution one constant value is given, suppose a is given, so one time you can differentiate it. They given a and b, two constants are there, two times we have to differentiate that. Okay, so like that we can find the values. I'll give the number of examples, no problem. That first you can write that right now. To differentiate, all of you can write. Next one point you can write now. To differentiate, to differentiate, to differentiate equations, or also the differential equations you can write now. The differential equations are the differential equations are
So can you say it from starting?
the differential equations. The differential equations are generally formed by generally formed by formed by eliminating formed by eliminating eliminating arbitrary constants, eliminating arbitrary constants, arbitrary constants. Okay, so this is the more important. By eliminating arbitrary constants only we are finding the differential equation. Okay, one just you can write now, if you want you can take as a note. Okay, how to form the generally differential equation means by eliminating arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constant means parameters. Already last class I told you that parameters or arbitrary constants. This is actually interesting topic. Even integrations, so application of integrations and a differential equation, all those things. But if you understand clearly, you will get more interest. But starting only, suppose you feel difficult means definitely, but everything will be difficult only. We can't get that. First question you can write now. First one, or small question you can write. Form the differential equation. Form the differential equation from the differential equation representing the representing representing the family of the curves, the family of the curve, the family of the curve y equal to mx, y equal to mx. This is also one of the important question, but don't think like it is the okay the simple equation. Already they are asking for 3 marks question in 2014, March 2014. They are asking one time like examination. Form the differential equation representing the family of the curve y equal to mx, y equal to mx. Simple thing. Here now, please tell me what is the arbitrary constant here now. What is the parameter? What is the parameter? Anyone? Y equal to mx we are taking. But actually, how to form the differential equation means I give the just now I give the point to you. What is the point? the differential equation are generally formed by eliminating arbitrary constant. Eliminating arbitrary constant. Now in this function, what is the arbitrary constant? Please tell me. In this, what is the arbitrary constant? What is the arbitrary constant in that?
M, sir.
M is the arbitrary constant. Okay. So now we have to do then. Okay, for eliminating that M, this arbitrary constant, then what we have to do that? First you can write now. Given curve, what is the given curve? Y equal to mx. So immediately first you can differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what about this value now? So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to what is the constant? M is the constant. M is the constant one thing. But here now still we are getting the value of M. M equal to how much? Dy by dx we got now. But this generally this is not a equation also. This is not a equation. Now we can do one more way. Suppose if you taken this value, based on this function only, the value of M equal to how much? Tell me now. The value of M equal to, here only can write now. But the value of M equal to how much? Y by x. Correct. This x you can write this side now. So the M equal to how much? Y by x. Now from these two equations, if you want this is the first one, this is the second one also you can take. Nothing happen. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what is saying that RHS will be M and M will be equal, these two also equal. So therefore dy by dx is equal to y by x. Y by x. Clearly now this one right side. You can do cross multiplication, you can do that. So x into dy by dx equal to y. So x into dy by dx, dy by dx minus y equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Now for this one, what is the general solution of this differential equation? Is y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. Okay. 3 marks. Easily will get 3 marks here now.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, can you explain again, sir? I'm getting disconnected.
But here 2 came. Chirag.
Sir, that is me only, sir. This is through phone and that is through laptop.
Okay, okay. And Anirudh also disconnected again. Okay. Tell me now, Chirag. Second one I can write now. Second.
Sir, can you explain that first one, sir?
First one, na? See now. Simple, it's very easy. This is the given function now. So this given curve, first you can differentiate with respect to x now. Differentiation of y with respect to x equal to what you get? Dy by dx or na? Equal to differentiation of mx equal to m. First equation you can take. But from the, based on the first given function here now, the value of m equal to how much? Y by x or na? This x right is side now. Correct? So m equal to y by x. So this is you can take here now second equation. Now from first and second equation, this also value of m only and this also value of m. I'm correct now? Now here these will be equal, mean these two also you can equate. So equate both of them. This x right is side now. So x into dy by dx equal to y. This y you can transfer to LHS side. So x into dy by dx equal dx minus y equal to 0. So this is the required differential equation. Required differential equation. And second one, y equal to a a sine of x plus b, a sine of x plus b, where a comma b are parameters, a comma b are parameters. This also important. Already this is in June 2015. They asked an examination for 3 marks question. Y equal to a sine of x plus b, comma, where a comma b are parameters. Now here how many parameters are there? Clearly 2 parameters we have. So compulsory we have to differentiate twice. It's not one time, twice we have to do definitely. Eliminating that a and b it is. So right now, so given
Sir,
ah
in MX, how many parameters were there?
only one, no?
M.
Yes, m is the parameter, correct only, no?
Okay,
We
sir.
done
So,
only one time only.
and here there are three.
We have two are there.
There are two. So why
Two
three
times compulsory
differentiation?
we have to do two times. So why three? So a and b are the constant. X is the x and y are the variables. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Only two parameters. That's why they mentioned very clearly here. A comma b are the parameters.
So two parameters means two time
Two
differentiation.
times differentiation. Compulsory we have to do. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So y equal to a sine of x plus b. A sine of x plus b now. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. With respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to a is the constant value. A differentiation of sine of x plus b equal to cos of x plus b, correct now, into 1. Because again differentiation of x plus b equal to how much? 1 only. It's correct. Now again you can differentiate. Again you can differentiate. If you want this is you can take here now. Equation number 1 you can take. Equation number 1. Okay. Because sometimes because for eliminating that parameters here now, later suppose in case of that after second order derivative, after we got that, still we are getting the any parameter means maybe in place of one parameter we are substituting that other parameter value. Okay, then you'll get again differentiate with respect to x now, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is the clearly d square y by dx square is equal to, again a is the constant value, so minus sine of x plus minus sine of x plus b into 1 into 1 now. I think clearly what about this value now? Minus a sine of x plus b. I think is a sine of x plus b equal to the value of y only. No? It's correct now. So in place of this, you can substitute y here. So what you get? So therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. Clearly, because here a sine of x plus b equal to y. If you want, since you can write now, since y equal to a sine of x plus b. A sine of x plus. This one right is side now. So therefore, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. You know, without parameters we got now. Means the problem itself, whatever they given parameters, without that we have to get. You can solve it until you got the perfection. You can do that. Once you got the perfection, means you'll go into the methods. Third one, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This also they're asking previous June 2006 or 2016. This also 2016 they're asking examination. x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here how many parameters are there? Again, two parameters we are there. A comma b are the two parameters. So compulsory we have to differentiate twice. So first you can take.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
Here now in this equation, how many parameters are there? Chirag. Now?
Yes, sir. Yes. There was an
So based on the parameters, we have to differentiate. Two parameters are there means two times we can means we can find the second order derivative. Only one parameter you can do one time. Okay, directly we get the answer. Yes, first you can do that. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here 1 by a is the constant value. So differentiation of x equal to 1 plus 1 by b is the constant value. This is the dy by dx equal to constant 0. Now again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of constant equal to 0 plus 1 by b is the constant value, and differentiation of this one equal to what you get clearly, d square y by dx square equal to 0. So 1 by b also write this side now. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 0. This is the required differential equations. Simple questions, but 3 marks.
So this is 3 marks.
3 marks.
So why, sir, like step marking?
Where? Here.
So what will be the marking scheme for this question?
Okay. The step marking means for writing this step. But actually, this is I wrote directly. Understood now? So before
Yes,
this,
sir.
we have to write clearly. What is that?
Differentiation
First,
with
yes,
respect
1
to
by
x.
into d by dx of x plus 1 by b into d by dx of y equal to d by dx of 1. Understood now?
Yes,
We have to
sir.
write clearly. Then write this step.
So,
Again, you can
so what is the marking scheme?
for this one, they'll give you the 1 mark here. Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
this, you'll get 1 mark. Again, after differentiating, we write in the one step here now. For getting this value, 1 mark.
Sir, why did you write 1 by a as 0, sir?
Big differentiation of constant. This is a constant only, na? Here a and b are the arbitrary constants. These two are the two parameters here now. Parameters are always constants only. So differentiation of constant equals 0. Correct? Okay? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
But here simply wrote the two steps here, no, but in the examination, but don't write like that. Write clearly. Because it's small question. Okay, at least we have to show very clearly that.
So if we even skip one step, they'll cut marks, sir.
If you suppose the same question sometimes if they're asking for 1 mark question or 2 marks question, then you can write it. But board point of view means compulsory we should write the each and every step. It will be the best always. Okay. For objective point of view means you can do anything, nothing happened. But subjective point of view, write each and every step. You can mention very clearly that. That only presentation is correct.
Yes, sir. So next question.
Next. Y square equal to a into y square equal to a into b square minus x square, b square minus x square. Yes, all of you can start now. Try yourself. Very easy, simple question. Already I think differentiation, you know very well that is correct. Do that. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y square. Clearly you will get 2y into dy by dx. A is the constant value. Or else first you can simplify this value first now. Y square equal to y square is equal to ab square minus ax square. Now we can differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So 2y into dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Here constant value is 0. minus a into 2x. So 2y into dy by dx, dy by dx equal to minus 2ax. Still we have one more constant is there now. So that a also we have to eliminate it. That's why again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, u and v, u and v it is. So u into differential is from what you get, d square y by dx square plus this is dy by dx into differentiation of 2y equal to, we'll get 2 into dy by dx, 2 into dy by dx equal to minus 2a, equal to how much? Minus 2a here. Okay.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, you're using a product rule over there, sir.
oh, product rule. If you want, you can mention the clearly, u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. You can write clearly, not an issue. So now we can write now. That implies 2y into d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square plus.
Sir, the board is blurred, sir.
Yes, yes. Complete it went. What happened this? What happened? Then all of you once you can try yourself, complete fast that.
Sir, cannot see, sir. Still now it's blurred.
Definitely. Just at least you copy the question now. Y square equal to a into b square minus x square. Y square equal to a into b square minus x square. Or once log out and log in again. End the meeting.